Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Windows 10 or 11, an active Microsoft account, and enough disk space. Once confirmed, open Microsoft Store and sign in. This avoids permission prompts. Make sure Windows Update has no pending restarts so the store can install cleanly. Then search for Paint 3D or 3D Viewer in the store. Click Get or Install right away. You do not need extra tools. This begins the download and prepares the app for first launch. Once the store download starts, watch the progress and allow the installation to finish. Intermittent pauses happen but usually resolve. If it stalls, open Settings Apps Installed Apps, find Paint 3D or 3D Viewer, and choose Repair or Modify to trigger a reinstall. Make sure Background Apps permission is allowed so the store can finish tasks. When you open the app, sign in if prompted to sync settings. This step ensures brushes, recent files, and cloud features are available to you. You finish by launching Paint 3D and immediately testing with a simple model or new canvas. Import an OBJ or GLB file to check textures, or draw and save as to export 2D PNG or 3D formats. Make sure to choose a clear save location and name. If the app crashes or tools are missing, update your graphics driver and run Windows Store Troubleshooter. These fixes resolve most issues. If problems persist, reinstall the app from the store to restore default.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.